y'all, I'm tired. Oh my
Got the
goodness.
road blocked up too.
I'm so tired, y'all.
Now you know you ran out.
My feet hurt.
How you pulling the road, sir?
Right. No good and well ain't no park.
Exactly. And people got to go all the way around you. All of them parking spaces.
People with trucks think they can just do anything.
Exactly.
Yeah, we had a good time though. Clearly my baby had a good time. Hi, baby.
All that food and sugar she was giving her.
Yes.
All that sweet lemonade and
Y'all, that lemonade was a blessing. Like,
shoot. This ain't a two-way road, lady. It's one way.
y'all, we just almost saw accidents.
Exactly. First of all, he was probably too close and they both probably fussing at me.
Ooh, but yes, if they make that lemonade up there that stole by the house,
Oh yeah, they do.
baby.
What's up there too?
Oh, we gonna be getting some fresh squeezed lemonade every day. I'm gonna have to learn how to make me some fresh squeezed lemonade, cause that right there was just too good. Like, that was just too good.
I think I can make that.
I mean,
I just don't like having to put that sugar in there. She do that with sugar,
yeah. Well, what else you gonna use?
honey.
I don't know about that one though.
Yeah, you make it warm so the honey dissolves.
So y'all know my mama grew up in the country.
I think I came the wrong way.
No, that's the way we came.
Yeah, but it was giving me that one. I'm gonna go back and try that because I like doing something different. They was taking me down this road right here.
Oh, probably because it gets you closer to Bluff Road.
21 miles an hour.
Ooh.
Black Swamp Road.
Oh,
We going to the Black Swamp Road, y'all.
no, back swamp.
Oh, shut up.
Oh, I don't like them roads like that.
Not the back swamp. She's so
On them back swamp road. Child.
Let's see what we gonna see.
Blow off 5. What that mean? Ooh, child. Yeah, I sure need a nap at this point. I need a nap. I know my husband probably like, I see these two having fun. Good morning, you guys. It's your girl Dominique and I'm back with another video. It is a new week. It's Tuesday. It's almost 12 o'clock. But I'm just getting off work. Let's see, I ate breakfast this morning and yeah. I didn't really vlog yesterday just because I didn't feel like it, and I just had to work. I really didn't have anything to do. The only time that I went out yesterday was because I had some indigestion that was just like the worst, like literally like the worst. So I spoke to my doula and she recommended that I get some ginger root. So I had to go out to the store and I got some cleaning products and stuff because I'm nesting at the moment. And then I also got some ginger root that I put in with some tea, or put in with some boiling water, and I just kind of been drinking on that here and there since last night. So yeah, y'all, it works. It's been helping my indigestion like crazy. So I appreciate you, Jiffy, for that. Yeah, I'm pretty much just I had to work earlier and I had to work a little bit later, so I don't really have too much planned. I'm about to eat some food. My mom got me a burrito last night, and that's when I really started feeling the indigestion. I just felt like it was in my throat, and I literally only took like 2 bites. So yeah, I'm about to edit a video after I eat, and I think today or tomorrow I want to start like getting my stuff together. I want to go ahead and pack my hospital bag. I want to pack my baby's diaper bag, because I'm 36 weeks and anything can happen at any point during this time. So I need to make sure that I'm ready. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I also want to get a space together for me and the baby. So originally, or let me say, the plan is to go back to Lagos. Honestly, it's kind of just like depending on when or if my husband, or let me say when, not if, he will be able to come, but when he will be able to come, when all the paperwork is processed and they process his visa and all that stuff like that, and he can come over. If he is not able to come over in a timely fashion, then I will be taking baby back to Lagos to see him. We may possibly stay there until his paperwork is processed. Honestly, we just don't know. It's just so much it's just so much up in the air right now, so we're just kind of waiting it out. But either way, in the meantime, I need to prepare a space for me here at my mom's house. So yeah, I was originally thinking about going to my dad's, but that is not seeming very feasible at the moment. So yeah, I'll probably just be staying here. I am also supposed to be going to my niece. Her and her husband actually just bought a new house, so me and baby are supposed to be going there for Omugwo. We're gonna try it out. Yeah, so for a couple of months me and baby are gonna go there. She's just gonna help me get acquainted, you know, help me, you know, with everything, and I'll be there for a couple of months. Then we'll come back here, and yeah, we'll just come back here and be here until we figure out what's next for us to do. So yeah, I need to get a space ready, because like all my baby's clothes and like everything that I have, you know, is still in boxes. I haven't taken out anything from the boxes, like bassinet still in the box, car seat, strollers still in the box, everything is still in the box. All her clothes are still in bags. So I'm just like at the point now where I'm ready to take that stuff out and set it up in a place that is more permanent. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'll be working on this week. So I'll vlog for that. I have my 36-week appointment tomorrow, and yeah, that's pretty much it for this week. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, so today is Wednesday. I'm headed to my doctor's appointment right now. I'm gonna stop and get some Starbucks. Y'all, I did not do anything I was supposed to do yesterday. Like, I literally just worked and I watched this movie on Netflix called Trees of Peace. It takes place in Rwanda during the genocide and all that. But yeah, I did not do a doggone thing, y'all. So there's pretty much nothing for me to film yesterday. I didn't even pack up any bags or anything like that. I think I'm gonna try to do that stuff today though. So because I am off until 5 o'clock. I have to go to work at 5 o'clock. So, but it's only like a little 2-hour shift. So yeah, I'll probably just do that today, do some of that stuff today. I'm not gonna be packing my hospital bag actually, because I don't have everything that I need as of yet. So one of the things that I'm gonna be doing also is trying to like finish up some little shopping of things that I actually need to go inside my hospital bag. I'm gonna pack my baby's diaper bag, although I won't be needing it. The only thing that I'll need is a going home outfit. So yeah, I won't need to necessarily worry about a diaper bag for baby as of yet, but I don't know, part of me still wants to bring one, so I don't know, we'll see. Oh, that's cute. I just saw an old lady with a little picnic basket bringing something, I guess, to another like old person's house. It's so cute. Anyway, I want to redeem the points for a bakery item.
Okay, which bakery item would you like?
The chocolate croissant.
A chocolate croissant? Do you want it warm?
Yes, please.
What else?
And then can I get a cafe vanilla frappuccino?
Okay.
A grande.
All right, what else?
Can I get that with caramel syrup, but only on the top, not like inside of the drink?
You said just caramel syrup on top?
Yeah.
All right, what else?
That's it.
All right, we'll see you at the window.
I'm just so glad that my doctor's like office is not like, it's like literally like 10 minutes away from me. So I don't know if I mentioned this before, but I was seeing the midwives at another hospital, and they stopped that midwife program at that hospital. So all of the midwives ended up moving to a different hospital. So I transferred to that hospital. So I'm there now at that hospital, and yeah, and the good thing is they actually have water births, which is what I originally wanted from the beginning. So yeah, and it's like 10 minutes away from me, so yeah. Wow, y'all, talk about inflation. Last week I came to the same store and the grande frappuccino that I usually get was $5.25. Why today is $5.55? As a matter of fact, this wasn't even last week. This was on June 20th, okay, which was 2 days ago. I should have asked her about the price, because I saw it on when she rung it up. Like, okay, this looks strange. Yes, y'all, it done went up a whole 20 cents, 25 cents, or 30 cents. Like, wow. No, wow. Anyway, let me hurry up because I'm about to be late for my doctor.
Are you going to be spending a lot of time in there?
Possibly. My husband doesn't want to go grocery shopping with me anymore.
Oh, are they do social media activists like this?
Which kind of social media activity?
No, you don't understand. I they try and make some posts for my business and you know, my followership for the
Which business be that? Plug them.
Movement of Discipline Kings.
They hear Movement of Discipline Kings. Y'all check out my husband's business, his t-shirt business. Tell them.
Yes, now y'all should check out the t-shirts. They're very, very originally made designs and stuff. You know, they're classic made shirts. So really check it out. I'm also in the business of supporting President Peter Obi. So
Okay, we asked about your business. This is not a political channel. Please, I beg. Yes, y'all go check it out. I haven't seen anybody else make shirts that's in pigeon. So that's what my husband is doing. He's making shirts and they are in pigeon. So all you Nigerians, I go link them down below. I did speak broken, small. Oh, you know what? Speaking of, I was editing a video yesterday, a video when we was in Ghana, when we first got to Ghana, and you was telling me to put on my African accent like as much as possible. And the way that I was speaking broken then is completely different from how I'm speaking it now. I was like, wow, like I sounded crazy before. Now I sound like I could actually be speaking broken.
That time you're trying to fake it, but now you already know it.
Yes, and if you guys are wondering which video I'm talking about, it's on the It's Okay to Love channel. So y'all can click up here. It's on the It's Okay to Love channel. Make sure you check it out. Okay, baby, fine, I'll let you go. I love you.
I love you more. Fine with me and with the dogs. See how she do that line of it.
Okay.
Okay, mami. Muchos besos.
Muchos besos. Bye. Okay, so I just left my doctor's appointment and I'm here at the grocery store now, about to get some groceries. So I'm actually a part of this community. It's called Social Nature, and they give you free products, or they allow you to try like free products. They're like healthy, organic products, and I say organic as in a good thing. My husband doesn't like when I say organic because they don't use organic products in Nigeria or in Africa. It's pretty much seen as like a bad thing. So, but yeah, So I have this coupon where I can try these freeze-dried herbs, and yeah, I can try them for free. So I'm gonna see if I can find them in the store. But yeah, basically, so the Social Nature, they send you the vouchers for the product. You go to the store and then you use the coupons or use the voucher to get the product. You can either get the product for free. This one has that one that I can try for free, and then it also has a buy one get one free. So I'm gonna try some of these because y'all know I be cooking in the kitchen. So yeah, if you guys are interested in trying it out, I will leave a link down below so that you can try out the Social Nature. Again, they will send you vouchers to try out different coupons, or excuse me, to try out different products. So if you're the type of person who likes to try new things, you know, this would be a great site for you. Or even if you're like an influencer and you want to get free stuff, you know, this is a good way to like try free things or whatever. So yeah, oh yeah, they sell natural foods. That's the word I should use, natural foods, not organic. First grocery store down. Now I'm gonna go to Publix and get some fruit and see if they have this stuff. Okay, so I didn't film in the other stores. I had to go to 2 other stores, Publix and Kroger. I found everything that I pretty much needed. So I did find the other items that I was supposed to get from Kroger. So yeah, I got these. It's from Green Garden, organic freeze-dried herbs. So the only ones that they had were thyme, parsley, and I think oregano. Yeah, oregano. So I got those. I wanted to get the garlic one, but they didn't have it in here. So yeah, we're gonna try these later on. I don't know what I'm gonna make. Oh, you know what? Actually, I'm supposed to be making some like spinach pasta type stuff tonight. So I'll probably go home and work on that, and then yeah. But that's pretty much it. I didn't take my camera inside because I had to pee, and yeah, I just didn't feel like doing all that. So now I'm headed home and gotta unpack these groceries before it's time to pick up my mom. Then I'll probably come home and cook after that. So yeah, the lighting in here is horrible, but just gonna kind of show you guys, I guess, oh, what I got. I didn't really get too much. I got eggs, but I got these eggs, and then I also got these eggs. So these are range-free eggs. So range-free means that they aren't in a cage, so they aren't like eating their own poop and all that stuff like that. So yeah, that's the significance about these. Again, I got these, which I got these for free to sample from Social Nature again. I got more honey. Told y'all my mom likes local honey, so I have this honey, which is made locally in South Carolina. I've been craving salad, so got some stuff to make a salad, some lettuce, broccoli, spinach, which I can also use this for my smoothies, but I think I have some in the freezer that's can be frozen. Pineapple, my mom wanted pineapple. Got some juice. Got to have my juice. Got tropical juice and white grape peach. I got this coconut water to try. It's supposed to be good for breastfeeding, so I'm not a fan of coconut water like at all, but I go try for my baby's sake. Oh, that was Cocoa Pebbles, my cereal choice right now. I've literally been craving that cereal. Like, that's the cereal that I crave. I got some meat, ground turkey, ground chicken, and smoked turkey necks. And I got smoked turkey necks for banga soup. So I'm gonna make banga soup sometime this week, or yeah, this weekend, something. I got bananas for smoothies because, quite frankly, I'm already not a banana fan, but it seems now that I can only eat the native bananas in Nigeria or West Africa or whatever, because that's the only place I really like bananas. I got some plantains because I like fried dodo for breakfast. I got some stuff to make smoothies, so I got a bunch of like frozen fruit. So this one is a mixture for green smoothies, and it has spinach, mangoes, apples, and pineapples. I also have mango. Oh, it's got mango in it already. I was about to say, because I can add some mango. But yeah, so this is good. I also like to add spinach to berry smoothies. So I got a berry mix, and then I got a mango berry mix, which I guess I could have just I don't know. Anyways, that's what I got. So yeah. Oatmeal is also a good thing for breastfeeding, I heard. So I got some oatmeal. I got blueberries and cream and peaches and cream. I actually like to eat these together. So one blueberry and one peaches and cream together. Y'all, it's so good. If you don't know, I'm telling you now, you have to try it. Cucumber for my salad. Also fresh mangoes, because I'm just trying to eat healthier, like for this baby. Like, I haven't really, honestly, I haven't been doing as good as I need to. So. Oh, y'all, I saw this new breakfast bowl from Jimmy Dean. I like the breakfast bowls already, but this one is made with sweet potato and spinach and turkey sausage. Y'all, yes, I'm really feeling that. And then I got some turkey sausage also. Got pumpkin seeds for They could be for smoothies, for yogurt. Have dried mangoes. Then I got mayonnaise and ketchup. I should have got some mustard because I'm pretty sure we're gonna need some more soon. So that's pretty much it, all I have. So after I put these away, I'm gonna make some eggs. I want eggs and turkey bacon, which I might end up using some turkey sausage, and I might make a smoothie too. So yeah, go ahead and put these groceries away. Whew, I'm about to have some ginger tea from the ginger roots tea that I made. My doula suggested for indigestion. Y'all, I swear it has really been doing me good. Like, focus, baby. Yeah, so it has really been doing me good. Like, I've literally been drinking it daily. Sometimes 3, 4, 5 times daily. Okay, definitely not 5 times, but definitely 3 or 4. I'm at the point now where I pretty much try to drink it after every meal, especially if it's like a heavy meal. Yeah, but it's really been doing me good. If you are pregnant and you have indigestion, I highly recommend. I'm also about to watch this webinar from Amazon. If you guys didn't know, I am a Amazon influencer, which I have been for a few years now. So if you didn't know, now you know. I do have the link. I'm not sure if I include it in my description box, but I will start including it in my description box. It is at the top of my page if you go to my channel, and where it has like those links and stuff. So I do have that there, so you can check it out. Yeah, if you guys need any links or anything like that, if you're interested in, you know, purchasing some things, let me know down in the comment section and I can find the things for y'all. But yeah, I'm about to drink some ginger tea while I watch this webinar, and then pretty much going to go see my mom, or not going to go see her, but I have to go pick her up. So yeah.